Ma'am, doon sa kay Miss Saint Lucia. Ano po ito? Please describe po.
So yung si Miss Saint Lucia, her national costume is the La Marguerite. May ano sila, meron silang, sa Saint Lucia, meron silang War of Flowers. They have a competition. So itong La Marguerite, and then the other one is the Roses. Pero we focus more on the La Marguerite. So this one, I also want to give credit din sa yung backpack. The one I'm working actually, I'm just doing the glue. Pero the one that really worked so hard there is yung si Connie at saka si Jasper and Decimer. Sila po yung I think what I did is to make the base. And then sila na nag-decorate nung flowers, and at the same time yung texture, they did it. So ano yan it's more of, ang tawag daw nila sa St. Lucia dyan is parang snow flowers. Okay. So nung dinala nila sa Miss Universe and they submitted it there, what they told me is the costume is very festive. So it's perfect for the Mardi Gras celebration, which actually we're feeling it na I think this will be selected for the opening of the Mardi Gras. You have a hunch yung that will be selected. So that one is my husband, si Larry. I felt like he's doing a surgery there kasi yung backpack is actually, because of a lot of flowers, hindi na siya, kailangan you have to balance it. So his tawag namin sa kanila, Larry is very good with balancing and looking yung symmetry. So that's what he did. And that's Jasper. Yeah, that's Jasper in the picture.
Tumulong po sa inyo.
Yeah, he's very patient. So I'm just very grateful na nag-travel sila from Ocala and met me in Miami. Nag-met kami sa hotel just to help me with the costume. So nakakataba po ng puso yung support ng community. Napakaganda po. Na anytime, anong kailangan mo ng tubig, up to that point na they're willing to help you.
Ano po ba itong flowers, ma'am? Parang ano ito? Tela or ano ito? Mga papel? Ano po ba ito?
It's a combination of, actually, meron kaming yung fresh flowers. May project kasi yung Champions. The Champions, they have a project na they preserve fresh flowers. Okay. So some of it, yung mga dark colors na inserts, some are a mixture of real flowers na they preserve. And at the same time, it's yung others are recycled. So it's a combination of that. Okay. So in order for us to compose that backpack, so it's actually, the backpack is the last minute decision that, you know what, let's do this.
Opo. Kasi kadalasan po, kagaya nun ni Rabia Mateo, yung previous natin na candidate, di ba, yung kanya Victoria's Secret, parang napakabigat pala ito So at least yung ginawa po ninyo, safe na hindi naman ganun kasakit para doon sa balikat.
Yeah, so purpose mo kasi dyan is for them not to worry how heavy, your main goal as a designer is they're gonna walk with ease and confidence, and they're not gonna think about, I'm carrying heavy stuff, they're just gonna walk there like walk in a park na maganda yung presentation nila. Isipin na lang nila is i-enjoy nila yung moment without thinking na mabigat yung dala nila.
Kasi
pero
minsan,
ang masabi ko lang, Miss, talaga ang pasensya din ni Miss St. Lucia. Since we had the last decision na gagawin yung backpack, hindi ko nakita na nagreklamo siya. Yun po yung mga kagandahan na, alam mo, yung blessing ng bilang designer na yung dinadamitan mo, wala man lang reklamo. Kahit patayuin mo ng matagal, wala man lang reklamo. Talagang they're there to support din the team para sa ikagaganda ng may present mo doon sa Miss Universe.
Gaano po ninyo katagal ito natapos?
Yung backpack actually, inuwi din yan ng mga champions sa Ocala. Pinauwi ko sa kanila yan Okay. So if you notice dyan, may mga karton-karton. Dapat ang base niyan, hindi yan karton, sabi ni ni Decimer. Miss Christian, dapat we could have, pero we have no choice. We have to do whatever, yung time. Kasi magka-holidays na, sarado na yung mga stores. So sabi natin, you know what, this is real recycle. Whatever we have this, let's do the corrugated cardboard box. Pagandahin na lang natin. So, pinauwi ko yan sa Ocala. We work here for overnight. And then sabi ko din sa kanila, you know what, uwi nyo yan and then magkita na lang tayo sa Hard Rock Hotel. Doon na natin tapusin. So inuwi nila and they also did not disappoint me. You know, they did a great job. And nang dumating si Miss St. Lucia, may flag pang mga baon para i-welcome yung St. Lucia. But ito yung katapusan ng costume and thanks be to God for that.
Pero December na po ito, no? Ginawa?